I'm Kathleen Hansen, and you found my Vocal Warmups with Kathleen YouTube channel. Today we're going to do an excellent, complete 15-minute vocal warm-up. Let's jump right in and spend a moment to focus on alignment and breathing. Look for and release any undue tension, and then take a couple of low, natural, easy breaths. And sigh out. Simply taking 30 seconds at the beginning of any vocal warm-up session to do this will really elevate your results. All of the sounds I'm singing can be found down below in the About section, and as always, feel free to change octaves anytime you need to. Let's start with an NG sound, like at the end of the word sing. Put a little puff of air through your nose at the beginning, so it's more of an HNG sound, like no vowel. We can sing and go. For this next vocal warm-up, let's sing on an easy glide, like so, and go, so, 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 This next exercise helps engage and coordinate breathing for singing. We can sing hum, 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 hum. Here we go. Hum, 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 Now let's move on to an energized Nee Oh, like Nee Oh, ee oh, ee oh, ee oh, ee, and go Nee Oh, ee oh, ee oh, ee oh, ee. Nee Oh, ee oh, ee oh, ee oh, ee. Nee Oh, ee oh, ee oh, ee oh, ee. Nee Oh, ee oh, ee oh, ee attention to releasing any tension in your jaw and neck and your tongue as we sing the following. And go. Moving on now to a lip trill or bubble. Let's sing on. Allow the air to feel just a little bit vigorous so it can remain consistent. Here we go. Now we're going to sing on E-A, like E-A. This can be a powerful exercise, so make sure to release tension anywhere that you don't need it. Here we go. Vocal exercise helps us to find the feeling of short vowels while coordinating the breath. Allow this upper lip area, like your snarl muscles, to be ever so elevated as we sing on preh. It sounds like this. Preh, 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 preh. Here we go. Preh, 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 preh. Preh, 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 preh. focus into resonance, let's sing on ee, like ee, and go. Let's spend a moment to release jaw and tongue tension, and we're going to sing on fah-ee, like fah-ee, and go. Fah-ee, We're going to do a progressive siren that goes up a little, down a little, and then up some more. Feel free to stay with me or go at your own pace. Let's finish up with an octave arpeggio on a Z-ah, like Z-ah. Keep that air moving freely. And Z-ah, 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 Thanks as always for singing with me. I hope you'll support my work by liking, subscribing, and sharing this with a friend. I always love hearing from you in the comments below. I will see you next time.